God did not promise us an easy life or days without troubles, difficulties, and temptations. He never promises that life will be perfect. God did not call us to a playground, but He called us to a battleground. So it is sure that we are going to face battle in our lives and we are going to go through difficult situations in life. Today let us meditate on Isaiah chapter 43 verse 1 to 3. Fear not, for I have redeemed you. I have called you by your name. You are mine. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers, they shall not overflow you. When you walk through the fire, you shall not be burned, nor shall the flames scorch you. For I am the Lord your God, the Holy One of Israel, your Savior. I gave Egypt for your ransom, Ethiopia and Seba in your place, since you were precious in my sight, and you have been honored, and I have loved you. Yes, today you might be going through difficult times. It may be a financial problem, sicknesses, divorce, rejection, depression, loss of loved ones, or someone have cheated on you. We all have our days where we feel we can't survive anymore. You might be saying, my life is meaningless. There is no point to live my life anymore. My life is full of pain and sorrow. No, don't ever think or say that way. There is hope in Christ. Look up on God. He has promised to rescue you. God has you in His heart. He loves you and you are so precious to God. Sometimes in life, our dreams are shattered. Friendship may fall apart. Loved ones may hurt us. Finances may worry us. People may reject us. And we may even lose the people we love the most. But my friends, always remember that God will always be there to guide us through even the toughest time. Even when you feel like you are losing the battle, even when the situation hurts you like hell, keep praising God and worship Him. Be positive, never lose faith. Hold on to hope and trust in God always, and you will see God rescuing you from every dangers. Do not be afraid, and God will save you. Life isn't easy, but there is an engine called heart, a life insurance called faith, and a driver named God. So today, if you are going through difficult times and you are watching this video, I remind you, do not lose your heart. You are precious and a blessed child of God. So come to Jesus, talk with Him, share with Him your sorrows just like you share with your friends. Your friends may or may not save you, but if you go and tell God, He will listen to you and He will surely rescue you, and the love of God will fall onto your heart. O my people, trust in Him at all times. Pour out your heart to Him, for God is our refuge. I have made you, and I will carry you. I will sustain you, and I will rescue you. Cast your burden on the Lord, and He will sustain you. He will never permit the righteous to be moved. God will not abandon those who search for Him. From all this verse, we have learned that God has promised to rescue us. So no matter what you are going through, God is always there to guide you and be with you until the end, because He has called you by your name and you belong to Him, and you are the apple of His eyes.